This is a 2011 Mitsubishi Outlander. It features a 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine, an automatic transmission, and all-wheel drive. Its top features include a low-tire pressure indicator, hill start assist, 18-inch alloy wheels, and high-intensity discharge headlights. The following features are also included: air conditioning with automatic climate control, cruise control, full power accessories, a leather-wrapped shift knob, 12-volt power outlets, front and rear floor mats, front side impact airbags, latch-ready child seat anchors, a rear window defroster, and this vehicle has fewer than 29,000 miles on the odometer. With an EPA estimated rating of 29 miles per gallon on the highway, this vehicle does not compromise its fuel efficiency for size, comfort, or fun. This automobile won't last long at this price. Call and arrange a test drive now.